Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Forests are one of the most important part of life on earth. A forest is defined as a large area of land covered with trees or other types of vegetation cover. These are huge sources of oxygen and have direct and indirect impact on our ecosystem. Forests cover almost 31% of the world's total land area, but human activity has led to the significant loss of forest cover. The widespread destruction of forests is termed as deforestation. The UN Food and Agricultural Organization (FAO) has defined deforestation as the conversion of forest to another land use or the long-term reduction of tree canopy cover below the 10% threshold. In other words, deforestation is the permanent destruction of forests in order to make land available for other usage. There are a number of causes of deforestation for which human activities are greatly responsible. Some of the major causes are agriculture. According to a report by UNFCCC United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change agriculture is one of the primary causes of deforestation. This can be linked to increasing population and a high demand for land. Among different types of agriculture, subsistence agriculture farming for own consumption is responsible for 48% of forest destruction. Commercial agriculture is responsible for 32% of deforestation and logging is responsible for 14% of degradation. According to a report by Food and Agricultural Organization, almost 50% of forests in tropical regions have been cleared. This is majorly done by tribal communities that are involved in subsistence farming. This type of agriculture is technically called slash and burn agriculture or shifting cultivation. The tribals fell the trees and burn them to clear the area for agriculture. They move from one area to other in search of more fertile piece of land, thus giving rise to shifting cultivation. Urbanization and industrialization. Deforestation is also caused by the rapid rate of urbanization and industrialization. This can also be attributed to the rising population globally. Large areas of dense forests are cut down to clear spaces for urban development and setting up industries. This results in loss of forest cover. In 2015, Government of India passed the Compensatory Afforestation Bill to manage funds which were allocated for diverting forest land for non-forest purposes. Commercial use. Another major cause of deforestation is the economic significance of forest products. Trees like sal, teak, sesame, amongst others provide valuable timber. Forest woods are used mainly for construction purpose, furniture industry, newsprint, stationery, sports equipment, etc. Cutting down forest for commercial use in different industries is a lucrative business. Mining it is a very destructive human activity which destroys a large area of forest cover. It also causes many environmental impacts like erosion, formation of sinkholes, loss of biodiversity, and contamination of soil, groundwater, and surface water by chemicals from mining processes. Large number of forests are cleared every year for the purpose of mining mineral resources. Increase in population. With the rise in population, there is greater need for land. To meet the demands of food and housing, forests are cleared indiscriminately. Land cleared for agriculture and settlements is the biggest cause of depleting forest cover all over the world. There are many effects of deforestation which directly and indirectly affects us. Some of the effects of deforestation are impact on global climate. The most adverse effect of deforestation is global warming and climate change. Pla- Plants absorb carbon dioxide within bracket CO2 from the atmosphere and use it to produce food and provide oxygen in return. Destroying the forest means CO2 will remain in the atmosphere, and in addition, destroyed vegetation will give off more CO2 stored in them as they decompose. This will alter the climate of that region. Impact on water cycle oblique hydrology. Another effect of deforestation on the biosphere is on water cycle. Reduced vegetation cover leads to loss of water from the ground and reduced transpiration. Without tree cover, water does not get absorbed by the soil. This leads to depletion of groundwater and less moisture in the atmosphere. The precipitation in turn gets affected, leading to a cascade water cycle. Also, oceans work as carbon sink as carbon dioxide readily dissolves in water and gets concentrated in oceans. Due to less forest cover, the acidification of oceans may also take place, leading to disturbance in the ocean ecology. Impact on soil quality. Soil is also affected as a result of deforestation. The surface run of water leads to removal of the topsoil, which is the most fertile layer of soil. This happens when soil is without the protective layer of vegetation on it. The rate of erosion increases in a deforested area and results into soil degradation. In mountainous areas where soil is loosely packed, loss of vegetation increases the risk of landslides. Impact on biodiversity. Deforestation also affects biodiversity as a whole. The loss of vegetation leads to extinction of species which rely on forest cover. As deforestation leads to destruction of animals' habitats, wild animals start trespassing human habitats, thus get brutally killed by humans. Zoonotic diseases are also caused due to deforestation. Gadgil report on Western Ghats has restricted human activities in certain areas. Western Ghats is one of the biological hotspots of the world. Its conservation has been supported by UNESCO for preserving rich biodiversity stock.